before you even think about buying the Nothing Phone 4a Pro. Watch this, because this phone looks amazing, but there's something nobody is talking about. Alright guys, this is the Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and I'm not going to lie. This one surprised me, but not in the way you might expect. At first glance, the design is what grabs you immediately. Nothing is still keeping that transparent style back, and this bold camera layout that just screams different. In a market full of copy and paste smartphones, this one actually stands out. But here's the thing, a good design doesn't mean a good phone. So let's talk about the display. You're getting a large AMOLED screen with a high refresh rate, which means everything feels smooth from scrolling through Instagram to watching videos. Colors pop, brightness is solid, and overall, it's a really enjoyable screen to use. Now performance, and this is where a lot of people get it wrong. On paper, it might not look like a powerhouse, but in real life, it handles everyday tasks very well. Apps open quickly, multitasking is smooth, and even gaming is decent. It's not a flagship killer, but it's definitely reliable. Now the camera, and this is where things get interesting. In good lighting, the photos come out sharp and detailed. Colors look natural, and it's actually very good for social media content. But in low light, that's where you start to see some of the limitations. It's not bad, but it's not the best either. Battery life is another strong point. You can easily get through a full day without stress, and that's with regular use like browsing, streaming, and chatting. Plus, fast charging means you're not stuck waiting forever. And then there's the software. Nothing OS, clean, smooth, and very close to stock Android. No unnecessary apps, no clutter, just a simple experience that actually feels fast. But now, let's address the real issue, because there's one thing about this phone that could either make you want it immediately, or completely change your mind, and most people don't even notice it at first. So is the Nothing Phone 4a Pro actually worth your money in 2026? Well, it depends on what you value more in a smartphone. If you want something unique, smooth, and reliable for daily use, this is a very solid option. But if you're expecting top-level flagship performance in every area, you might need to think twice. And trust me, you don't want to ignore this part. Let's keep going.